Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I just thought that I would film a quick video on my nighttime skincare routine. So this is just what I would do using really simple products from the drugstore and from the supermarket that are really inaffordable but really take care of your skin. So I'm going to get straight into it. The first product that I'm going to be using is extra virgin olive oil, and I use this on a cotton pad to take off my foundation initially. Oh, actually, before I take off the foundation, let me just whip off my lashes. So you can actually use olive oil on a cotton bud, but I'm a bit too lazy for that. I feel like my eyes are so naked without lashes. Like, I've been wearing lashes since I was about well, experimenting with lashes forever, like literally since I was about 14. Yeah, I just feel naked without them. So yeah, lashes are off, and I'm going to get these are the PS cotton pads from Primark. So I just take a generous amount of olive oil and put it on the cotton pad and start wiping off what is there. So I can't remember where I learned this, but it was, I think I saw an article where it said that like one of the most natural ways to use for makeup removal is like using natural oils and stuff. And I am really into my skincare, so I just thought, oh, let me give it a go. And now I use olive oil for everything. Like, I'll use it as shaving foam. Like, instead of shaving foam, I'll shave my legs with olive oil. I put it in my hair as a hair mask. I put it on my skin. I just do so much with it. So yeah, so I start by just wiping my whole face with the oil. And some people do like to use their hands to put oil on their face for makeup removal, but for me that just seems so messy, so I prefer to do it like this. What I like about it as well is when I used to use eye makeup remover, it will make my eyes just go so red and feel really sensitive, but when I use oil that doesn't happen as much. Yeah, so literally all of your eye makeup just melts off when you use oil, and cotton is really soft on your skin as well, so it's just gently removing everything that was on from the day. I feel like it's such a nice routine taking your makeup off. Like, normally I'd light a candle and be listening to a podcast. Yeah, just like, I feel like it's just as therapeutic as when you put makeup on, if anyone does find a makeup application therapeutic. I feel like it's therapeutic if you are not in a rush. You know, if you're in a hurry to go somewhere and you're putting your makeup on, you always just feel like, well, I feel like, why did I even bother doing this? Because now I look like a clown. And I don't want to go to where I'm going because I look like a clown. Okay, so now the oil is all over my skin. I'll put that to one side. The next thing I'm going to use is the Garnier Skin Active Micellar Cleansing Water. And this is also infused with oil. It's for dry and sensitive skin, and it cleanses, nourishes and moisturizes. This stuff is really good. I've been using it for literally like a couple of years now. Absolutely love it. I think because of that oil, the oil in it. So you shake it up because obviously oil and water don't go very well together. And then I put some on a pad again and just go over my face. So even though you've like smothered the oil in, there is still makeup on your face. Like if I just wipe really gently, there's still makeup there. So it's a bit of a process, but it's worth it if you want to have really healthy and beautiful skin. And the thing is, makeup does enhance your features, yes, but if you haven't taken care of your skin, then the way your makeup even applies, like I know when I haven't been drinking enough water or going through with my skincare routine, I really can just feel and see the difference when I apply makeup. I also like to go down my neck and like just behind the ear. I don't know how, but makeup just gets literally everywhere. And I'm going to use one more pad and do the same thing with the Garnier Micellar Water. Okay, right, next I go in with the L'Oreal Extraordinary Oil Facial Cleansing Oil. So this is slightly, so the olive oil I put on at first, that just dissolves the makeup, and then obviously the micellar water goes in to further clean your face. Now this is like an oil to soap kind of cleanser, so I put this on. Maybe I do too many steps, but like I just feel like because whenever I'm wiping there's always still makeup, so I've just added in these steps over time and it works for me. So it goes on as oil, it goes on clear, and then yeah, I just spread this all over my face. Okay, so now that is on, I am going to rinse my face, and this will lather up and cleanse my face. And then I'm also going to be using the Beautifully Radiant Manuka Honey Scrub by Good Things. I picked this up in TK Maxx. I pick up a lot of skincare in TK Maxx because it is just, I feel like you get these really nice indie brands that just have really good products that have these different ingredients in them that are so good for the skin, and it's things that I necessarily wouldn't always see everywhere. Hey guys, so I'm back with freshly washed skin, and I'm just going to dry my skin off with a cotton pad. So the next thing I'm going to do is take this clay mask. This is really cheap. This is from I think Savers or the Pound Shop. It's just a really cheap clay mask. This is my quick nighttime routine when, you know, you've just had a long day and you just need to do something to your skin, but you don't necessarily want to do spa day to your skin. So I'm just going to lather that all over my face, and I leave it on for about 10 minutes. I always like walking around the house like this, especially if like all my hair is tied back. So just look absolutely crazy, and I feel like I want to get reaction from my husband, but he's quite chill, so he doesn't tend to react. He's used to seeing me like this anyway, so let me know who else likes to just walk around feeling zen with their face all masked up, ready for the world's comments. Yeah, so I'm going to set a timer on my phone and leave this on my face for 10 minutes. It's really nice because I just feel super, my skin feels, oh, got it in my hair. My skin feels super clean after this. It says it absorbs excess oils and deeply cleanses the skin. And I do definitely feel like it does absorb the excess oil, because after my skin does feel dry, but just in that really clean, satisfying sense, and we can add oils back in after anyway, so I'm not really too fussed about that. Hi guys, so I'm back with a freshly washed face. I have washed my mask off, I'm going to now tone with the Boots Cucumber Facial Toner. And then I am going to use, oh, I love this. This is the Hydrogenius. It's for dry and sensitive skin, and it's by L'Oreal Paris. And this is aloe water infused with hyaluronic acid. I only got into acids fairly recently, but ever since I have been using them, especially like I like the ones for moisture, plumping, all that stuff. So I just put this all over my face and massage. So I just like to keep massaging this in until I feel like it's all soaked in. And it does give me a mild tingling sensation, but I just think that is because the skin is literally so bare that that happens. But I get the tingling sensation, but nothing, no reaction, if that makes sense. I think in my mind that is just it working its way into my skin. Okay, so next is another product that I picked up at TK Maxx. This is the Retinol Smooth and Firm Serum. I just put like a dollop on my face here and another one here. So now that the retinol has soaked in, what I do next is take some hemp oil, and this is pure hemp and almond oil, and it's ultra moisturizing and wildly luxurious, unscented and pure. This is literally unscented. It's by Cedar and Stone, and this literally smells like plants. It literally smells like plants. But after sleeping and waking up with this infused into my skin, it just feels absolutely amazing. Like my skin has never felt so soft. So I'm using this Cedar and Stone oil all over the face now. So this is the retinol sandwich essentially. So you've got a layer of moisture, then the retinol, and then another layer of moisture, so it soaks into the skin better that way. And then I literally look like I can fry chips on my face, but it works. The process works, guys, trust me. And if anyone, you don't have to use the same products, but if anyone uses similar products or does a similar thing, then let me know down below and we can just discuss different tips. Okay, and then the last thing I do just for my lips is to put on some Vaseline. When you have acrylic nails, Vaseline is so hard to open, but this is the Lip Therapy Cocoa Butter. I use this all the time. I use it in the night, in the morning, and just to keep my lips hydrated. Another option I use is the Burt's Beeswax, like chapsticky thing. And that's really nice. It's more, I think that's nicer for during the day because it's not as sticky as Vaseline. Yeah. Any excess on my finger, I will just massage it again more. I'll come back and give my final thoughts once this oil has settled on my face and just give you a roundup of this routine. Hi guys, so I'm back. The oil has absorbed into my skin a bit more, and this is how I would just sleep with it on my face. And as I said, when I wake up in the morning, it's just really smooth and my skin feels hydrated and just really, really refreshed. And I just love this process of taking off my makeup, and I have different routines for different days depending on how tired I am, how much time I have, etc, etc. But I really hope you enjoyed this video and got a few tips from it. And as I said earlier, if you guys have any tips for me, that I could find useful, then please let me know in the comment section down below, and I will be back again shortly with another video. Thank you so much for watching if you made it this far.